Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all this banging install. This is a 30-inch bust down HD lace wig. So if you want to see how I got these flawless results, definitely keep on watching. Those are the wig details right there. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first of all, I want to start out and let y'all know that this was supposed to be like a fresh install I was going to show y'all. But I got my wig on the other night and literally I didn't tie my hair down in the shower, went to sleep. The wig just came off. So here I am getting up super duper early in the morning, like face is tight AF, tight as fuck. But it's early, but I gotta get this wig on. So what you see me doing pretty much now is like just sizing the wig up with my hairline. Yes, I am going to be doing the install without a bald cap. I don't have time, nor do I have a bald cap in the first place. So I hear bald caps really aren't just like a necessity. So let's just see how this goes. So after I get the wig lined up with my hairline, I am just going to flip the wig straight back and I'm going to go in and apply my glue. Now, due to the fact I did not bald cap myself, I did apply the glue a little more forward up, just so I could have some work in room and save my edges. I took a good little break, and I feel like my edges were restored a little, and they just they starting to come back a little fuzzy, so I want to save them. So that's just what I'm doing, but I still was able to avoid laying my wig too far down. After the glue has dried completely clear, not even a little tacky but completely clear, you want to pull it right directly forward into the glue. Massage the lace into the glue while it's still sticky. Don't take all day to do this because it's gonna just dry up and you're gonna have to repeat this. So work a little quickly, with a purpose, and just massage it, preferably the end pieces, because I feel those are the pieces that come up first. So definitely once you get it on and press the lace into the glue, try and just give it a good old massage, yep, just like that. Give it a good old massage just to work it in before you get to combing and moving to the next step. Okay. What I'm doing here is just securing the end pieces of the lace. You don't need a lot of glue when you do this step. Just put some on the back of your hand and use your rat tail comb and just distribute it like that, because too much glue on the end pieces could just lead to a really crusty hairline. So just a heads up. All right, so next what I'm doing is creating a hairline. I'm just pulling out some baby hairs. I went for C-like motions, but I guess I just pulled out baby hairs all over the place, so I mean that's fine too. I did pluck these out. I didn't leave them super duper thick. But once I got that hairline separated, I'm going to take my wax stick. All of my wig supplies are listed in my Amazon storefront, as well as in your local beauty supply store too as well. So, I mean, you can go to either or, but I really would rather y'all support me and shop my Amazon storefront, please. Thank you. Love you. But once you get the hairline separated, you want to use a wax stick. I normally use a wax stick or edge control. It really doesn't matter. And I'm just going to hot comb that hairline back just so it can get defined and set in. And to be honest, y'all, I feel if you don't burn yourself a little right here on this part, or really feel the heat, are you really melting the lace? So I mean, ask yourself that and then look at your wig, So me personally, I wait until I hear that, I mean, shit kind of hurt, but the wig be laid. But once you get that molded down with the hairline and the hot comb, you're gonna take some wait, what am I doing? Oh, I was just showing y'all the wax stick that I was using. But once you get that molded down, you are gonna take some hairspray, spritz, whatever you like to use, and just tie your wig down with your elastic band. Oh shit, see y'all, it was a lot going on this morning, I swear, but I had to get the content to the people, so I did what I had to do, but I really had a lot going on. But once I get the band on, that's once it's really time for styling. I also take this time out to just pluck way more. Now that I have the hairline kind of separated, I can really go in and like pluck behind that to like scalp out the wig even more. So that's what I do. And once I just do like the rest of my excessive plucking, that's when I do like my actual molding and styling. So take your time with the middle part. Like, y'all don't want your middle part to be on your eyebrows, like, and just to one side of your eyebrow. Like, the middle part it needs to be in the middle. So I use my nose as just like a, you know, like a starting point, and I just kind of like formulate like my part from there. So I mean, use your best judgment, but take your time. It's really no rush, but you know, just try and get the wig as flat as possible and as center as possible. That's what I'm doing now. I'm using the wax stick again and the spritz, and I'm just trying to like get this super duper flat. Now, after I went back and watched this footage, I did think I could have took the hot comb to this light wig a little bit more, because I actually did when I got off work. But I mean, it still turned out bomb as fuck. Like, I don't care. But just make sure you get your wig flat, okay? I care about y'all and how y'all shit turn out. So anywho, next step, I'm doing the baby hairs. Curl them backwards. That's the biggest key. Curl your baby hairs backwards. As long as you curl them backwards, they're gonna swoop into place like literally every single time, like just effortlessly. Y'all know the word. Just with no problem. So curl them backwards. When you cut your baby hairs, use your eyebrows as like a stopping point and cut them on a slant. We don't need our baby hairs just going past our eyebrows, ladies, okay? So curl them backwards, and yeah. Let's see, let me see what's about to happen next, because I don't even know. Still curling. Okay, so I'm doing the baby hairs because, you know, one thing with this video, I did not include the curling part. My camera did die, so I really don't have that information for y'all. I'm sorry, but if y'all really want to see a curling tutorial, just let me know. But I don't really think my curls was like that special, but if y'all really want the curling tutorial, just let me know. But I did soft baby hairs. I did not use edge control. I used hairspray, and I feel like my baby hairs will stay like really, really soft and fluffy. But y'all, this is the finished look. Like, I love the bust down. It had been so long since I had a bust down. I had literally been doing like bobs and braids. So I'm satisfied. I love the look. Like I said, I did come back and take the hot comb to my part some more to just flatten the wig out. But other than that, y'all, like, I bucked with this. Like, this install came out like just really, really cute. If y'all think so, definitely give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Comment down below if y'all have any questions. But I'll put everything I use in the description box below, including the wig details. But that's it, y'all. Like, y'all, there go the results. Ooh, yeah. But like I said, that's it. I thank y'all for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the Fast Life. That stands for Fine, Authentic, Superior, and Tenacious. Please only subscribe if that's you. Or if you just want to join the community too, like, that's fine too. You can hit the subscribe button. But that's pretty much it, y'all. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.